In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix add post to your story missing on Instagram. Let's get started. First, launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged in. Now navigate to the post. Click on the share option. Now you might get the option of add to story. In case the option is missing, what you want to do is go to settings and activity. Once you're in this page, scroll all the way down until you find the option of sharing and reuse. Once you're over here, scroll down. Here you're gonna find this section of allow people to share your post and reels. Toggle on for these options. Once you have updated these options, go back and check the post you want to share. In many cases, the add post to your story option will appear again. If the feature is still missing, try to update your Instagram app. Navigate to App Store or Play Store, search for the app Instagram. Now if you see the option of update, click on it. And that's it. With this solution, your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.